Hello. Hello, friends. It's me, Giuliano. It's the 16th of June. Second half begins. Welcome, friends of Pirate Chain and friends of Komodo Platform. Whoo, friends of Santander. Yo, shout outs for the atomic swaps. Yeah, anyway, we're here for charts though. So I'm going to share my screen. Very excited to talk to you today. I hope you're doing well. Well rested, well hydrated, well fed, well related. Yes, all that good stuff. And just well grounded for yourself, right? Through these uncertain times, these potentially nerve-wracking times, depending on what's going on for you. Now, welcome back. I'm just showing you here these t-shirts because I must say, I can say now with conviction, for this Pirate Woman light gray shirt, phenomenal. And it has been well received. The fit is good, the quality is good. It has actually risen to the ranks of top t-shirt, I am told. So that's pretty cool. You know, what I'm meaning is giving it as a gift to somebody. Then you get Pirate out there, and it's, yeah, I've tried my best to keep them at a reasonable price so that you're able to grab some, not just for yourself, but for the other people in your life that you want to help spread the word. You know, they can just wear the shirt, feel good, feel comfortable, and know that they're somehow contributing. So that's great. Awesome. So we're going to go into these charts now. Bitcoin at the 39,000 level. Weakness, indeed. We're looking at right now a daily chart. Yeah, so what do we see? Well, we see, looking closely, that we were not able to really make a run up against the Bollinger Band. This support zone here, which was resistance, not showing the support that it needs. I mean, this is just a little tick in a day here, but we were expecting that. We were saying maybe it's pausing. Remember, we had the candles going, and we said maybe it's pausing here for a further green, but also possible here we got this pause for a turnaround, and that's what's happening. Maybe it's just a short-lived turnaround, and this could be a support region zone, and then we continue higher. So then what do? We're going to look at the 4-hour chart really to get a feeling. So yes, we are going higher, but no, it's not today, at least not yet. And a 4-hour time frame tells us more. What kind of stuff does it tell us? Well, it tells us, yes, we are breaking down the 20-period average, support zone, confluence. So that's important. We're showing weakness. We've got a nice floor here at the 37,000 Satoshi level. So we are going to test that. That just seems to be the thing. All right. Looks like on a 4-hour level, we're turning over in this MACD lagging indicator, showing that momentum. And then in terms of the RSI, is nothing very clear. So that's that. It looks like we might be coming to test the lower end of the Bollinger Band region, which again is around that 36 to 37,000. Did I call it Satoshis? It's dollars. This is the BTC USD chart using the data from Bitstamp on getaurox terminal. So far, so good. I could request a few things here from you, getaurox, but I'm really enjoying using this terminal. And so if you want to check it out, it's free. You get all these trading view tools unlimited, but there's not all of them. Anyway, let's not get into that. This is pretty good. So, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, check it out. I've got a link in the description there. Okay, so we are basically seeing that there's some weakness here, and we are likely throughout the rest of the week to the weekend going to just hover in this zone, 36 to 39,000. Okay, that just seems to be what it is. And that means now, friends of Pirate Chain and price charts, USDT terms, and BTC terms. Let's go to the BTC terms and see that, yes, actually, if we're being stickily, we are having this divergence play itself out, where we have in the price, low, lower low, and lower low. And in the, whoops, we don't make it there. There's, this is another dimension, another dimension, another dimension over here. It's the RSI dimension. Friends of interdimensional transportation, we have transported our arrow here to show you the higher high, the higher lows on the RSI. So we've got a series of lower lows in price. And then when we match them here, we've got a higher low in the RSI, a lower low in the RSI, and an even lower low corresponding to the opposite. So there you go. There's some 4-hour divergence there. That could mean, look, we have come and tested the Bollinger Band. Are we going to break through again and have a dump down? Doesn't seem like it at this point. It seems, okay, none of this is financial advice or anything. It's not even certain, but it seems that either will take just the sideways path as the USDT price goes down a bit along with the BTC USD price. Other option, which I'm looking for, is to move higher into the 10.5, 11, maybe even, yeah, about 11, like we've got this year, but we've got some room to go up here. So, you know, we could have, depending on what the alts decide to do, we could definitely see into the 11,000s, but at least an 11,000 ceiling, I can see that while the BTC action is happening. Okay, I mean, nothing special. This is really not, this is for, you know, for holders and picker uppers and all that. 11%, maybe just for the fun of it, but of course that's not from the level we're at here. So that's from where it was just the other day, around the 10,000 Satoshis. Okay, so, you know, maybe a little 10%er, but yeah, it's, you know, at this point, it's what is your strategy? What is your plan? What are you even doing? You know, we're just looking, for me, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart to get a better picture to help us analyze and forecast where things might be in this short term, shortest of terms, you know, over the next day to 3 or 4 into the end of the week, right? That's kind of what we're thinking. And so today we're 16 and Thursday is 17, and then 18 is Friday, and then 19 is Saturday and Sunday. So by Sunday, we might be back down again, or we'll be playing within this cloud. Either that, or it's just been a sideways, boring time. And even that, so in terms of the RSI and the MACDs, that could, even if we're going sideways in price, we could be grinding up in the momentum oscillator. It's just how it works. So yeah, same thing here. We are looking like we're moving up with the MACD and signal lines. We're in negative territory. We're going towards positive. Don't think we're gonna quite make it there, this move up, and we're going into positivity in the histogram that reflects this. So yeah, it looks like on a 4-hour position, we're at least not in a weakness position based on our indications. Only thing is we're gonna pay close attention to is this 20-period average. We just wanna get above that, and then we know we're in a good clear position, at least for the next little while. Awesome. So that's that. And if we are looking at that on the daily chart, what does that really look like? Where did you come from? Get out of here. Don't pollute our minds. Awesome. Yeah. So I don't know. I'm getting a bit of the shivers from shiver me timbers with this pattern here. It's just interesting rectangular sideways action here. Anyway, awesome. Yeah. So let's see what happens. Does that mean we're going to get here to the 11.8 and test this 20-day moving average? I think that would be a wonderful thing to do. Okay. It doesn't mean we're going to pass above it, but however, yeah, and like we were saying on the daily, we're starting to round up. So whatever what we might consider a small move up. What that would mean though is that we would pass, you see these 2 points over here that seem points of interest for me now. These are points that we're going to watch because this is a level, okay, on this chart where, and it's roughly around this, yeah, 11.5. Right, that's an important point of support resistance. I think, in the nearest term, in terms of like what is an area that really stands out to be considered. Okay, that's a little too pale for our tastes today. Want a little, haha, yes, we want a little depth to our palette. Okay, done. That's that. I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna move on, and then I'm gonna really move on. So first I'm gonna move on to the USDT chart. Then I'm gonna move on to whatever comes after this video, and so are you. Ooh, okay, so we were, when I started this video, we were actually above, we were above the 4 hour 20 period average. So the, what would you call it, 80 period average, 80 hour average. Anyway, we're narrowing. I was hoping this could be good for at least some sideways dollar price action, if not testing some of this space up here. But now we're below and we're narrow, and that means we're more likely to just stay down here. We're already down below 4. Let's see. This is, hey, look, we're midday UTC. We could easily be right back up here, if not even higher by the end of the day. Let's just see what happens. But okay, we can. For all of you who are saying, fine, go to a lower time frame. Let's check a 1 hour chart. Yeah, looks like we're in a bit of a resistance zone. What would you say to that? Looks like we are in resistance and we're in a bit of a turning over, but it's so choppy and small. So really, how long is this going to last? Maybe not even past tomorrow, maybe 24 hours, and we're at a thinner part of the cloud, and we can see if we can retest. But yeah, so far it doesn't matter. Even we can go into the cloud and play around in here. Just because it's here doesn't mean we can't break, we'll move through the barrier. Okay, let's see what happens. But short term is definitely not looking much into the $4. At best, let's just try and hold the $4 itself. That's really all we can consider at this time. Okay, on the 1 hour chart. On the 4 hour then, yeah, we are here roughly at $4. See, it before, when we started, it was just there, and yeah, now it's above. So things are moving. I will come back later if there's any major change or advancement. Otherwise, that's basically where we stand right now, and we're gonna stick with it. So hope you have something to focus on today, whether it's charts and whether it's play or whether you're working your butt off, blood, sweat, and tears. Either way, yeah, don't succumb to your fears, really. Until next time, love, peace, folks, goodbye.